Hello and welcome to Deck Builders St. Louis, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are focusing on deck railings, one of the most important safety features on any raised deck or set of stairs. Railings are more than decoration. They protect people from falls, guide movement, and tell you a lot about how well a deck was built. Let us start with why railings matter so much. Anytime your deck is off the ground, a slip near the edge can turn into a serious fall if there is nothing to stop you. A solid railing system creates a clear barrier and gives everyone, from kids to older family members, something reliable to hold. When you lean on a railing, it should feel firm, not wobbly or soft. If it moves, that is a warning sign. Now let us talk about basic railing rules in simple terms. In most residential setups, railings need to be tall enough to help prevent falls, and the posts and infill need to be strong enough to resist side pressure when someone leans on them. Openings between balusters or other infill pieces are kept small, so a child cannot slip through. The exact numbers depend on local code, but the idea is always the same: tall enough, strong enough, and tight enough to keep people safe. The strength of a railing starts with the posts and how they connect to the deck frame. Posts should tie into the structure itself, not just bolt through the outer decking boards. That means we often use blocking and hardware under the surface, so the posts grab onto joists or beams. When this is done right, you can give the top rail a firm shake and it will not move much at all. When it is done wrong, the whole section can flex or feel loose, even when the deck surface looks fine. Next is the infill, the part between the posts. This can be wood pickets, metal balusters, cable, or even glass panels. Each has a different look and maintenance level, but all have to meet the same basic safety goals. The gaps must be small enough, and the pieces must be fastened well enough that they will not break free easily. The style you choose should match your home and how much maintenance you are willing to handle. Material choice is a big part of keeping railings low maintenance. Traditional wood railings can look great, but they need regular painting or staining, and they can loosen or rot over time if not cared for. Metal or composite railing systems, when installed correctly, can reduce sanding, scraping, and repainting. When these systems are paired with composite decking from brands like Trex, you get a combination that is easier to keep clean and less likely to splinter or peel. Do not forget the stairs. Railings along stair runs are just as important as railings around the main deck. Stair posts need to be anchored carefully, often with extra blocking in the stringers. Handrails should be at a comfortable height and easy to grab. Consistent step heights and good lighting work together with the railing to make each trip up or down feel natural and safe, day or night. If you already have a deck, a quick test is simple. Walk around the perimeter and gently push on the top rail in different spots. Check the posts at corners and stair openings. If anything wobbles, creaks, or feels soft, it is worth having a professional take a closer look. Tightening a few bolts may not be enough if the original connections were never done correctly. At Tough Deck Builders St. Louis, we design railings to match the deck structure, not just sit on top of it. We want every railing to feel strong and stay that way through years of weather and use. You can reach our team at 314-309-3595 or visit toughdeckbuildersstlouis.com if you want us to review your existing railings or help you choose a safe, low-maintenance system for a new deck. A solid railing is one of the best safety upgrades you can make. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders St. Louis. When you plan your next project, give your railings the same attention you give the boards and colors. Strong posts, proper connections, and the right materials will give you a deck edge you can trust every time you step outside. We will be back soon with more straightforward guidance to help you build outdoor spaces that are built solid, built right, and built to last.